Charts are quite a good way of presenting information, and the first activity asks you to make a stacked column chart of the marks the pupils got in both the Christmas and Easter tests. Here's quite a good way of looking at the information. The problem I've got here though is can't see all the information because I've got the filters on. I can click on the unfilter here, and well, I actually have to take the filter by condition off and click on none. Okay. And then on filter by values I have to say select all and click OK, and I've got all of my values back. Now again, I could decide to put these in a particular order, and task 4 doesn't say, just says show them in the order that they're in, so that's fine. So I want to show all the data, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of the data. If I don't do this, if I don't select anything, then the computer says, well, what do you want to make the data of? So if I show you that, if I click in this square here, there's no data. If I go insert chart, it says no data. You haven't told me what to make a chart of. You've always got to tell a computer what it is you want to make a chart of. So I need to select this information here. I'm actually going to turn the filters off first, just because it's getting in the way. So data, turn off the filters. Those arrows just disappear. It makes it a bit easier to see. So I'm going to select the data by clicking and dragging. So all that's now selected. And I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to go insert chart. And it put a chart in for me. Okay, and it put up the chart editor here. Now, this chart is a perfectly fine chart, as these things go. I'll get a bit bigger so we can see it. But it's not the type of chart I was asked to produce. It's asked to do a stacked one. Now a stacked one has the scores in the two columns on top of each other. So in the chart type, I can say I'd like a stacked column chart. Okay, and there we go. So I can now see all of the scores here, and the blue is the Christmas test score and the red is the Easter test score. This is also quite a good way of seeing who's doing best. So overall I can see that Lisa has got the best combined score of the two. Okay, at the bottom it's showing the first names, and it's using column A as labels. Okay, so it's using column A as labels. So column A is the names here. So they're the labels on the bottom, and obviously up the side then it's showing the maximum score. And it's sort of working it out. It's saying, well, it's between 30 and 40, therefore it's doing it like that. So that now, I'll get rid of that, is what I've been asked to produce. Click on that again and make that a little bit bigger so we can see it a bit better. Okay, snipping tool. Okay, and new. And I want that chart. Okay, and I go back to my personal pages, which are here. I go back to spreadsheets. I create a new page called task 4. On that page I Control and V to paste the graph I've just done, and I'm going to put the location. At the moment mine's appearing in the wrong place because I've actually done this before. I'm playing with it. Okay. Click on done and publish, and there we go.